Okay, so I'm going to find something I can do. Oh goodness, the joy of slowing down, not my thing. A quiet mind. Um, let's try that.
Okay. Old experiences over and over again. At other times, it goes to the future.
Okay, so I truly wasn't aware how easily I get distracted. Like, I wandered off in my head so often within like 15 minutes. It's ridiculous. I hope to really get better at this in the next 30 days.
This is why it's so difficult to talk about. It's an experience, a changing experience.
Oftentimes, it's easy to feel like you're bogged down on that journey.
I've only just realized that I am super impatient when it comes to meditating. That's why I really haven't done it so far. I just feel like 10 minutes are so long. Like, I do a session in the morning, in the afternoon, and then at night. And still, I feel like I really need quite a bit of time to like get into it and to actually relax, because I'm like, come on, hurry. And whenever the like moderator doesn't talk for like 30 seconds, I'm like, is the person gone? Is it over? So yeah, still working on that.
Changing in some way, the calmer the mind will be. So take a moment just to get comfortable.
Honestly, I am so over this challenge at this point. I don't know why, but it's a lot more challenging than I thought, because at times I just don't feel like meditating and I feel like you can't force yourself to. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I don't know how universally loved Star Wars is, but it's annoying that it's been like the headlining theme on this app for like 2 weeks. Okay, I'm exaggerating, for a week. Because I've never seen it. I don't care. Stop it. I just wanted to start, but my month is over. And just like that, 1 month of meditating is over. It went by really fast, but the problem is, I don't think I've done like, well, I know for a fact I didn't do all the days. There probably was a fourth of the days that I didn't meditate. But I'll give you a roundup. So it's quite a bit later, but I'm still gonna do my roundup. As I said, I didn't do all the days because I just didn't feel like I wanted to meditate every day. It wasn't that helpful to me every day. And also, I am someone who's up late, and then I don't feel like cutting my morning short or having to get up earlier and therefore cutting my sleep in the morning short, is what I actually wanted to say. So that's why sometimes I just didn't feel like waking up 20 minutes earlier just to meditate for 15 to 20 minutes. And that was basically the reason why I didn't do all the days. But overall, I feel like it was helpful to calm myself down whenever I did do it.
But it wouldn't have helped me on the other days because I would have stressed myself out and just not felt as comfortable, because you have to like really be in the moment when you meditate and like really listen to what the speaker is saying, or really doing your breath work and not just being elsewhere in your mind, which was a thing I commented on in the beginning, and it kind of went all through my like challenge process. It got better over time, but it's definitely something that I'm horrible at. My mind just wanders all sorts of places. I just think about like everything at the same time, which is not helpful. And I'm a daydreamer on top of that. So anyway, I think meditation in general is not for me, but I feel like whenever I'm maybe a little bit stressed, or I need to decompress, or I can't sleep well, it's definitely a tool that I'm going to use in the future. So if that's something you feel like you might need help with, I think meditation is a great start. Or also if you're someone who has anxiety or anything that's just clogging up your mind, I guess, meditation could definitely be something that works for you. So I would definitely, why am I saying definitely all the time? I would recommend meditation as something to at least try and find out if you are into it. That's kind of what I took from this challenge, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, and maybe even subscribe to my channel to see other fun challenges, vlogs, and the like. And I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye!